Now we will see about informal organization. Before going to the informal organization, now we will revise previous class, that is types of organization. We have two types of organization, one formal organization, other one is informal organization. Formal organization is over already. Under formal organization we read meaning, features, advantages and disadvantages of formal organization. In informal organization also we will read informal organization meaning, features, advantages and disadvantages of informal organization. First, now we will see about the meaning of informal organization. Informal organization is a network of social relationship among employees. It's a network of social relationship through interaction, through employees interaction only, the informal organization is framed. From where this informal organization is arising means it is arising from within the formal organization. In this informal organization, we cannot force the employees to follow. Next one, features of informal organization. Totally there are 5 features in informal organization. First feature of informal organization is there is a personal interaction among employees in the organization, because informal organizations are formed within formal organization. Second one, in informal organization, standards of behavior is evolved from group norms. So group norms only here they are giving importance, not giving importance to the organization rules and regulations. Here they are not following the rules and regulations, it is given by the organization. Based on the group norms only the behavior is predicted here. Third one, following independent channel of communication without any specific direction. Without specified directions, the flow of information goes in the organization. Fourth one, it is emerging spontaneously. It is not deliberately created by the management of the organization. Last one, there is no definite structure or form, because it is a network of social relationship among the members. Advantages of informal organization. Totally there are 3 advantages in the informal organization. First advantage of informal organization is faster spread of information. Informal organization, it leads to faster spread of information as well as can take decision in the business, because they are not following any prescribed line of communication. Second point, it enhances the job satisfaction. How it enhances the job satisfaction means, informal organization, it always helps to fulfill the social needs of the members. By fulfilling the social needs of the members, it gives more job satisfaction to the employees. Third one, fulfillment of organizational objectives. This informal organization, it contributes towards fulfillment of the organizational objectives. For example, employees' reaction, that is towards a plan and policies that can be tested through any informal network. By using any informal network, we can test the reaction of the employees towards any plan on and the policies of the organization. Disadvantage of informal organization. Totally we have 3 disadvantages in the informal organization. First disadvantage of informal organization is it becomes a destructive force. Sometimes employees in these organizations, they may spread some kind of rumors. That rumors, it may be against the interest of the formal organization. Second one, whenever management of a company is not accepting the informal organization, whenever they are opposing against the informal organization means that time they may not successful to implement the changes in the organization. Third one, it pressurizing the members to conform the group expectations. It always giving pressure to the members is to go ahead with these group expectations, so that it harmful to the interest of the organization. Whenever the norms are set by the group, that are against the organization interest.